Hey everybody. So in this video I'm going to be canceling YouTube TV. I signed up with YouTube TV for a free trial. For one, so I could watch the NASCAR All-Star race at North Speedway this past weekend. But also to try out YouTube TV, see what I thought of it. And honestly, I think it is overpriced. I could actually get cable TV cheaper than YouTube TV, or at least for 2 years with Spectrum. Okay, so we actually do this on the computer, so let's go ahead and go over to my account, which first we just simply went to tv.youtube.com, select my account, go to settings, no thanks. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to manage on base plan, and we're going to go to cancel, and I'm going to select cost. Continue canceling, and you can see we're canceling the base plan. Our free access ends tomorrow. We'll select yes, cancel. And you can see it's wanting to ask us, oh, but you just want a few channels. No to none of these. So it's going to hit no thanks. And once you've completed these steps, check your email inbox for an email from YouTube confirming your cancellation. And you can see it says, thanks for trying YouTube TV, you won't be charged anymore. So we have successfully canceled YouTube TV. So anyways, that's how you can cancel your YouTube TV membership. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo Channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.